So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer Apple Cash to debit card. So first up, open up your wallet or Apple Pay, and underneath you will see your debit card as well as your cash card. And to use Apple Cash, I will just suggest you click on Setup Now, and you will need to click on Continue in order to continue doing that. Once you've set that up, you can exit the wallet and go, and I will just show you through Apple support since I haven't set up my Apple Cash just yet. So make sure that you have the latest version of iOS and iPadOS. On there, go to the Apple Cash card as I just showed you, tap the More button and then tap Transfer to Bank. Enter an amount and tap Next. So you can see here it will look, your screen should look something like this if you wish to transfer $50. So tap the instant transfer option, then tap Next. It's pretty similar to E or M banking. You have double click the side button to confirm the transfer, then authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. So you can choose to set up your Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. Your funds should transfer immediately, but can take up to 30 minutes. So don't be impatient. So that's about it. On there, you can just check on your debit card and if you've received the funds, and you can do that even on your M banking app. So you're not limited to this, but on here, first set up the cash and then just follow those steps I've laid out for you on here. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Apple Pay or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.